Hello my little friends. I hope you all are fit and fine. I am your Meera ma'am and I am back with a new fun activity for you. Friends, I hope you all have heard of Minions, and if not, let's get introduced to them. Minions are cute little cartoons who are yellow in color and have googly eyes. Some of them have a pair of eyes and some of them have only one. My dear friends, do you have any objects at your home that has picture of minions on it? If yes, then good. If no, then let's add one today. We will be making minions envelope. For that we require blue, yellow, black colored paper, glue stick, pencil, black sketch pen and scissors. Take a blue and a yellow paper, fold it into half. With the help of scissors, cut it. With the help of glue stick, paste these papers like this. Now make folds and stick them with the help of glue stick as shown here. Parents' guidance, cut out a black strip with the help of scissors and similarly cut two small circles. Now with the help of glue stick, paste a black strip like this. And 2 white circles as eyes. With the help of black sketch pen, make 2 small circles. Smiley and has, and envelope is ready. I hope you all enjoyed today's activity. Stay safe and be happy. Take care. Bye.